I hope many of you like accounting the way I do. I really like it when the debits equal all the credits and your balance sheet finally tallies. It's really an amazing moment. Let's talk a little bit about the history of accounting. We owe the double entry principles to a Renaissance mathematician called Luca Pacioli. You'll be surprised to know that most of the double entry principles we owe to this person, this mathematician. He was a genius, wasn't he? So, for every transaction, uh, there are two aspects, a give aspect and a take aspect. For example, when you buy goods from the supermarket, you take the goods from the supermarket, so that's a take aspect for you, and you give money to the owners of the supermarket, and that's a take aspect for them and a give aspect for you. So for every transaction, there is a dual aspect, and this forms the basis of the debit and the credit terms, which you will hear a lot in accounting. So, there are three very important rules which we must remember when we are starting to learn accounting. The first one is that the business and the owner of the business are two separate entities. So if Mr. X starts his supermarket X and Company, these two are entirely different. In accounting, we always account from the point of view of the business. The second very important aspect is that only transactions which can be measurable in terms of money are recorded. For example, if you want to know how much your employee is worth, you really can't do that, even though the employee is very valuable, but you really can't put a number on that. So the worth of the employee cannot be accounted for. And of course, last but not the least, the dual aspect is one of the uh, foremost things which we must remember while learning accounting.
Created using Powtoon.